Hi guys, hello everybody. Have a prettiest morning, have a great time to all of you and welcome to our YouTube channel that is Edumotion Tutorials, the power of education. This is a pure educational YouTube channel and we will provide you the best of the best quality and high-tech education. So please guys, subscribe our channel, like it, share it as much as you can and please comment it because your small step of a response, it will an empowerment of us and it will encourage us to provide you the best educational services. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Telegram as well as Twitter with the same brand name in India, that is Edumotion Tutorials, the power of education. So keep watching and don't forget to press the bell icon. It will provide you the new notifications and we will be glad to provide you the educational services.
Student, welcome to Edumotion class. Okay, ऑलरेडी अपने ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक यहाँ पे मैंने स्टार्ट किया था. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक में बेसिक कंसेप्ट, उसके बाद में फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, उसके बाद में सेकंड एक्सरसाइज, देन एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री कल के डेट में स्टार्ट हो गया. एप्लीकेशन में आपने देखा था लाइन ऑफ विजन मींस व्हाट, एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन मींस व्हाट, व्हेन वी लुकिंग अपवर्ड, व्हेन वी लुकिंग अप की तरफ देख रहे हैं, देन एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन प्रोड्यूस हो गया. व्हेन वी लुक डाउन की तरफ देख रहे हैं, देन एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन यहाँ पे फॉर्म होगा. ओके, एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन मींस व्हाट, सामने बिल्डिंग है, सपोज one building and if you have to observe that building and if you have to find the height of that building, तो आप आपकी तरफ देख रहे हैं, that is your line of vision and this angle of elevation is formed. And next we go to third floor and आप नीचे देख रहे थे, angle of depression वहाँ पे फॉर्म होगा. इसके आज कुछ प्रॉब्लम मैंने यहाँ पे स्टार्ट कर दिया आपके. फर्स्ट इज दैट a person is standing at a distance of 80 meter from a church looking at its top. The angle of elevation is of 45 degree. Find the height of the church. क्या है प्रॉब्लम देखो. 3 here, a person is standing at a distance of 80 meter from a church looking at its top. The angle of elevation is of 45 degree. Find the height of the church. Okay, then solution is that let first we consider that height of the church and person is standing in which position. Okay, we consider that let AB be the church. We consider that this AB is a church and this person C which is standing at point C means AB is your church and C क्या है आपका, that position of that person and AB be the height of that church. And if you have to find this height of that church means that AB is the height of that church, then C is the position of that person, and if you consider the value of BC equals to 80 meter. BC means what? A person is standing at a distance of 80 meter. This is your church and this is the position of this person, and the distance between these two, that is equals to 80 meter. कितना है? 80 मीटर. ओके, समझ में आया पूरा. First, AB is the height of the church and C is the person of the position, and BC means that distance between this church and this person is 80 meter. Then if you have to find the height of that church. Okay, अबे this is your triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Of course it is a right angle triangle. And this angle ACB, that is equals to 45 degree, that is your the angle of elevation. यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करता हूं एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन क्यों यहाँ पे फॉर्म हो रहा है पर्सन सी पोजीशन पे, और मैंने बताया कि इफ इट लुक्स अप डायरेक्शन, अभी पर्सन यहाँ पे है तो दैट लुकिंग दिस हाइट ऑफ द चर्च अपवर्ड हो रहा है, देन वी गेट दैट इज योर 45 डिग्री। अभी सी यार 45 डिग्री है, 45 डिग्री लेने के बाद में आपका हाइपोटेनियस, दिस इज योर एसी इज योर हाइपोटेनियस, मैंने बताया था जहां पे आपका 90 होता है उसके साथ अपोजिट साइड दैट इज योर हाइपोटेनियस, और 45 डिग्री आप एंगल ले रहे हैं, देन ए बी आपका क्या रहेगा फ्रंट साइड एंड बी सी क्या रहेगा एडजेसेंट साइड। देन आपको फाइंड करने का है ए बी एंड दिस राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ए बी सी, that is your front side and that is your adjacent side, कौन से रेशियो में आता है, then we get tan theta equals to opposite side या front side divided by adjacent side। अभी tan थीटा का वैल्यू कितना है आपका 45 डिग्री, अपोजिट साइड कितना है आपका AB और एडजेसेंट साइड कितना है आपका BC। tan 45 1, आपने देखा है tan 45 का वैल्यू कितना है 1, tan 45 equals to 1, AB what is the value of AB, AB we have to find, and BC, BC का वैल्यू कितना है 80, ये डिवाइड में इधर आके मल्टीप्लिकेशन में 1 into 80 that is equals to AB, then AB equals to 80 means what is your AB, AB this height of church is 80 meter, that is the height of the church 80 meter। Next problem is that from the top of a lighthouse an observer looking at a ship makes angle of depression of 60 degree if the height of the lighthouse is 90 meter, then find how far the ship is from lighthouse, and one condition is that root 3 equals to 1.73, one condition is that root 3 equals to 1.73 from the top of lighthouse an observer looking at the ship at angle of depression, यहाँ पे एक लाइट हाउस है और लाइट हाउस से ऑब्जर्वर लुकिंग एट दैट शिप, मैंने बताया था if you look up then angle of elevation, if you look down then angle of depression, समझ में आ रहा है, if you look up angle of elevation, if you look down angle of depression, यहाँ पे ये बताया means that एक लाइट हाउस है, लाइट हाउस पे एक ऑब्जर्वर है that looking downward direction means if you consider that AB represent lighthouse, this is your AB represent lighthouse, AB क्या है आपका लाइट हाउस है, then from the top of the lighthouse the observer looking at the ship make an angle of depression 60 degree means AB represent the lighthouse, and if the height of the lighthouse is 90 meter, okay, that is your 90 meter। और next is that then how far the ship from the lighthouse, the observer is at point A and C is the position of that ship, ये आपका horizontal line है and this is your point C, observer looking this point A means if you take this is your horizontal line, then if you join this observer A की जगह है then we get this is your angle 60 degree, ये आपका एंगल कितना है 60 डिग्री, but this angle DAC that is your 60 degree and this BC is parallel to AD, and this is your AC is your transversal, then this 60 degree then automatically Y. That is your alternate angles. If these two lines are parallel to each other and this is your AC is your transversal, AD is parallel to BC, AD is parallel to BC and this AC is your transversal, then DAB that is your 60 degree and ACB that is your 60 degree. क्या बताया मैंने? AB is your lighthouse and the person is standing at this position A and which look this ship in downward direction and position of that ship is C. This is your horizontal line, this is your horizontal line, this is your 60 degree, this is your 60 degree. Why? These two lines are parallel to each other and AC is your transversal. Note किया, okay? And this BC equals to that is your x. X means what? We have to find this value of x. X means what? Then we find how far the ship is from the lighthouse. And condition is that √3 equals to 1.73. Okay? अभी यहाँ पे मैंने एक ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ किया है. If you observe, this is your right angle triangle ABC. ये आपका right angle triangle है. This is your right angle triangle ABC is the right angle triangle. Then if you write this AB equals to 90 meter and BC equals to x. Okay, then angle is your 60 degree. This is your front side, this is your adjacent side. This is your front side, this is your adjacent side. Then if you get कौन सा आता है tan theta equals to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Then we get tan theta equals to which is your opposite side AB divided by adjacent side BC. Okay. Then tan theta 60 degree, AB का value 90, BC का x. But what is the value of tan 60 degree? Tan 60 degree का value √3, 90 divided by x. X divide में इधर आने के बाद में multiplication में 90, then divided by √3. अब ये √3 को मुझे रैशनलाइजेशन करने का है. Then √3 से मल्टीप्लाई, √3 से डिवाइड. x equals to √3 3. √3 3. Then this 3 x equals to we get 30 into √3. Then x equals to we get 30 into what is the value of √3? 1.73. X equals to 0 3 3 9 3 7 21 3 1 5. Then we get x equals to 51.9. 51.9 क्या है? That is you are find the how far the ship is from the lighthouse. The ship is from the lighthouse. That is equals to 51.9. Okay. यहाँ पे आपका next problem है. That is that two buildings are facing each other on a road of width 12 meter from the top of the first building, which is 10 meter high. The angle of elevation of the top of the second building found is to be 60 degree. What is the height of the second building? आपके पास बिल्डिंग कितने हैं? Two buildings. If you consider this AB is your first building. AB is your first building. This is your first building. AB represent first building. ये आपका first building है. Two buildings are facing each other on a road. Then if you draw, this is your second building, CD. DC is your second building. Yes, CD is your second building. Two buildings are facing each other on a road of width 12 meter, means which is away from these two, that is equals to 12 meter. See here, that is your 12 meter. Next is that AB represent first building, and CD represents second building. This is your first building, this is your second building, and this away from these 12 meter from each other. यहाँ पे वही रिप्रेजेंट किया है. This AB is your AB represent first building, CD represent second building, then AB equals to 10 meter. AB equals to 10 meter. That is the height of first building. That is your 10 meter. Then two buildings are facing each other on a road of width 12 meter. That is the distance between these two buildings is 12 meter. कितना है? 12 meter. And the height of the first building is 10 meter. Next is that from the top of the first building, which is 10 meter high, the angle of elevation of the top of the first is to be formed 60 degree. Okay, मैं यहाँ पे फर्स्ट बिल्डिंग पे स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में हूँ और सेकेंड बिल्डिंग की तरफ ऑब्जर्वेशन कर रहा हूँ. मींस दैट इज योर अप. मैंने अप के पोजीशन में क्या कहा था? एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन, एंड डाउन एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन. यहाँ पे कौन सा एंगल फॉर्म होगा? एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. मींस दैट इज द स्टैंडिंग पर्सन. स्टैंडिंग पर्सन, यहाँ पे पर्सन आपका क्या है? स्टैंड है, और that is looking upward. That is your upward. Okay, and that is your angle of elevation. That is your 60 degree. Okay, that is your 60 degree. Then AB represent the first building. This AB represent first building. CD represent second building. CD represent second building, and that is the distance between these two buildings. That is your 12 meter. Distance between two buildings 12 meter, and this angle of elevation, that is your 60 degree. But if you observe that this A B D E is your rectangle. यहाँ पे आपका क्या है? Rectangle means we write A B D is a rectangle. Then AB is a rectangle. Then AB equals to ED equals to आपका कितना आएगा? 10. Next is that AE equals to BD equals to 12 meter. बताएगा इसका रीजन? अपोजिट साइड ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. ये प्रॉपर्टी आपने देखा है. अपोजिट साइड ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. अपोजिट साइड ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. Okay, this is your opposite side of rectangle. ये 12 है तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका 12 होगा. Okay, that is your 12, then this 12. Okay, then if you observe that AEC is your right angle. Why it is right angle? यहाँ पे आपका क्या है? 90 degree. Means that triangle AEC is a right angle triangle. Angle triangle. Okay, this is your right angle triangle. आपका right angle triangle है, ये 90 है, then obviously it is a hypotenuse. Okay, अभी ये 60 है. मैंने ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के फर्स्ट ही लेक्चर में कहा था अपोजिट साइड एडजेसेंट साइड कैसा फाइंड आउट करने का है. देन अटैच साइड कौन सा रहता है? एडजेसेंट साइड, एंड दैट रिमेनिंग साइड इज योर अपोजिट साइड. अभी देखो अपोजिट साइड एंड एडजेसेंट साइड मींस दैट tan theta equals to right opposite side divided by adjacent side. Then what is the value of tan? Tan 60 degree equals to, which is your opposite side? EC. And which is your adjacent side? AE. Okay, then tan 60 का वैल्यू कितना आता है? √3 equals to EC कितना है आपका? x डिवाइडेड बाय नेक्स्ट वैल्यू AE का वैल्यू 12 है, देन ये डिवाइड में इधर आके मल्टीप्लिकेशन, देन वी गेट 12√3. दैट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस x फाइंड करने का है क्या आपको? सी प्रॉब्लम में क्या बताता है? द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ द सेकंड बिल्डिंग इज फाउंड टू बी 60 डिग्री. व्हाट इज द हाइट ऑफ द सेकंड बिल्डिंग? दिस हाइट ऑफ द सेकंड बिल्डिंग, यहां पे खाली मैंने क्या निकाला आपका 12√3, और ये भी आपको फाइंड करके द टोटल वैल्यू निकालना पड़ेगा. ओके, मींस वी राइट दिस इज योर CD equals to we write EC plus ED. Then CED. What is the meaning of this? CED means that points are collinear. That points are collinear. ये point क्या आपके collinear है. Then CD equals to what is the value of EC? EC का वैल्यू आपका कितना है? EC का वैल्यू कितना है? 12√3 प्लस ED का वैल्यू कितना है आपका? This 10. That is the height of second building. ये आपका क्वेश्चन.